Your raw clips look like this. Here's how to elevate them. For this video, I'm gonna use these two clips to show you how to speed them up. So as you guys can see here, my clips do not match the beats of the song. So in order to make that happen, I have to basically cut this. But this looks really bad. So in order to make it better, you're gonna head to the Fusion page, stay on the frame where you want the clip to end, and add a time stretcher. This automatically creates a keyframe. Go to the first frame and add another keyframe. Now the video will look like this, but don't worry. Go to the second keyframe and increase the value as much as you want. For example, for me it's 60. The clip somewhat looks like this now. To make it better, go to the spline graph, click on this icon, hold both points, press S, drag this upward and drag the string downward. If you feel like that's a little too much, you can change the intensity by dragging this up and down. Then head back to the edit page, go on the beat and cut the clip like this. You can also try another type of spline. Keep everything same, just go to the spline graph, pull this upward and pull this towards the line. This creates a sharp time stretcher effect, but that's too sharp for our clip. If you wanna make it smooth, you can pull it back until it disappears like this. This looks pretty good too, but we are gonna go with the original one like this. To make this kind of a time stretcher, go to the second beat of your clip and go to the Fusion page. Similarly, add a time stretcher node again. Stay on the frame where you want your clip to end. Go to the first clip and click on the keyframe. But this time, instead of going to the second clip and increasing the value, we're gonna pick out a midpoint. For example, our clip is at 47. If we round it off, it can be either 48 or 46. Half of 46 is 23. Make a keyframe here and increase this value to your liking. Make sure to make it end at a point where it will look good. For example, this much. And if there's a decimal point, round it off to the nearest whole number. Click on all 3 points of your spline graph, press S on your keyboard and drag this inward. Drag this outward. Make sure to keep it straight. Feels too much, right? We can either increase this value, but my clip wouldn't look good if I increase the value. So I just change the spline graph, then go to the edit page and cut your clip like this. That's how we use time stretcher to speed up our clip. That's it for this video. See you in another one.